Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to change your TikTok into private account. So first thing we have to do here is just go open the TikTok application. And when you are open the TikTok application, sometimes TikTok will bring you on the home section. But now we need to move into your profile sections. So profile section will be on this side. Just need to click it to access it, and after that you just need to go click these three straight lines. In these three straight lines, go click the settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you just need to go into the privacy section in the account page, and in this privacy you will be see a discoverability. Make sure you turn on the private account, so just need to click this button until the color is changed into the blue. Since you already turned the private account on, so with a private account, only user you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing follower won't be affected, so only the people you follow who can access your profile. So that's the way how to turn on or activate the private account on TikTok. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.